Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers and members. Hello, coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And thank you very much for all your thoughts and prayers. I'm feeling much better. Thank you so much. And today we have another mail call, and this time it's not just a postage stamp. It is a package from JBCoins, or JBCoins, as you probably know. But I'm calling it JBCoins. Anyway, we'll get into it right after this. Welcome back. So here we are with this package, and this is a UPS courier package, a US Post Office courier package. And B, you spent way too much money. When I get back to work, I'm going to send you some back. That's all I can say. So we have a package inside. Move this out, and the package matches my table, and that's everything. That's everything in there. You'll have to trust me for that. So we'll set that over here, and we have another envelope inside, and I don't know if I think I have to cut it open. I'm going to bring this back and take out my trusty knife. And there we go. Let's go into here, and we have the envelope number 9 addressed to me, and that's empty, but you can't really see in there because it's a black envelope. So we'll set that aside, and we'll set this aside, and we have this envelope, which you would have seen on the day that she gave it away if you were watching her channel on that day. And I'm just going to tear this one and see what we got. And my goodness, we have here a Darth Vader, a Nuie. My goodness. This is from New Zealand, or Nuie, a $2 coin from 2022, and it is a Darth Vader coin from Star Wars. How cool is that? I'll give you all the stats on this. And I want to give a big shout out to B from JBCoins, who graciously gave all the moderators a choice, and this is what I've received: Darth Vader from the Nuie. And they have lovely silver coins. Much too rich for my purchasing of them regularly. Occasionally I will buy something, but very rarely. Thank you, B, very much. This is very generous and very nice. And I hope to be able to moderate more often than I do. But running your own channel makes it a little bit difficult. So thank you, B. A huge shout out to B from JBCoins. Check her out. She has auctions several times a week. So look up JBCoinsInc on YouTube and you'll see her wonderful channel. And you might be able to pick up a thing or two at the auction. There is a process for registering for the auction by sending a $25 deposit before you bid, just to make sure you're a serious bidder. And thank you, B. This is wonderful. And I see IRB signature under the Queen's head. Down here, and that must be the initials, but I'll give you all these details when I can. And let's see if I see 1 ounce 999 fine silver, copyright Lucasfilms Limited. So they get all those details in tiny print around this lovely coin. And I'll give you photographs as well. Thank you, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this lovely piece of silver. And we will have, the next video will be tune in next time, because we will be doing the next coins in the quarter series, coins and stamps. So look forward to that. Thank you very much, and visit JB Coins today, and if you can, purchase something, because that's what keeps that channel going. Just like the membership keeps this channel going, and my membership is still only 99 cents Canadian. So if you're in the US, consider it, because it's less than 99 cents for you. It's about 69 cents. And here in Canada, it's less than a cup of coffee. So why not become a member of Numis Canada with Bruce? You will get access to your videos early in most cases, and you will also, after you've been a member for a year, 99 cents for a year, you will get a free promo pack at the end of the year. So we've got a bunch of people coming up for that in the next 6 months. Thank you for watching, everybody, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.